Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel, Meggie Beats Family TV.
Hello everyone, you are absolutely welcome. If you are seeing this video for the first time, thank you so much for watching. Please check other of our video. Maybe you will see something that you like, and please share it, or your friend will like, and please share it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because a lot of things will be coming. Like, tell you, we have not even started posting. This is just testing. We have not gone into the real deal yet, so please stay with us and you will enjoy this channel. Yeah, thank you so much. So for today's video, what are we going to be talking about? You suggested it the other time that we should do which video? Show this key acquisition. Yes, that was what you asked. So, and that is what we are going to be doing today. So this topic is going to be called Meggie's key acquisition. When we were at the airport, let's show that one now. Let's stop that of this key acquisition. Let's just show when we were going to the airport. Should we show that one?
Yeah.
When we were at the airport going to Nigeria, look at how happy we were.
Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? I am traveling to Nigeria and I'm so tired. I've not had enough sleep, so I just really want to show you guys around. Please put the camera around. Just a quick shout out to all my new followers and good things to come. I would like to say that it has been hectic. You guys know about this NGO that I'm operating now, and I'm just going there to keep an eye a little bit there, and hopefully everything goes well. But I tell you, it was in a rush. I have not had a good sleep for 3 days. I have just slept for just like 6 hours in 3 days. Can you imagine? Look at me, you guys know me. But you know, I'm happy. I'm going to my land, so I'll keep you guys posted. Bye.
And I bet you were happy because that was your first time of going to Nigeria, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when we get to Nigeria, the hotel where we lodged in, did you like it?
Yeah.
You like the hotel, eh? It was nice. And that first night we stayed in the hotel there, it was really nice. So I also let's show that video.
So one thing I actually like about the place is that it's a very secure place, and you don't have to be afraid of anything. You know, we are in Nigeria. Everything is like, be careful, and many things are included. You know, this is the list. A lot of things are included. You have your swimming pool, you have your breakfast, you have, you know, you can do so many things here, and all is included in this little amount you pay.
Yeah. So that was beautiful. Well, we were looking forward to go to Benin and start the ski acquisition, isn't it? We needed to get something also in the market, so we have to spend one extra night again. Yeah. And we went to get all these things that we don't have yet to start with the project. And did you know what happened when we were at the flight? Let me bring you back again. When we were at the flight, what message came to me? Let me see if you will remember, since you are the one always asking the question.
Of course, I can't really remember. Anna, did you remember any?
Yeah. One time they wanted to let another woman take our seat.
That was when we are coming back. That was when we were coming back. That is not even when we were here in Germany. What message came to my phone? Let me not just waste your time. Corona.
Oh yeah, you are
on
right.
On the 20th, they said that Corona just entered Hamburg. I said, oh, we are on our flight going to Africa. You know, already I've heard that it was in Munich, right? So, but then as it enters Hamburg, we're already on our flight to where?
Africa.
To Nigeria. Then when we get to Nigeria on that 26th, when we get to Nigeria, the 28th we get to our state. Remember, on the 28th we get to our state, and what is the next news we got. On the 27th, Corona entered Lagos. That was the first news we had, and Corona just entered Lagos. We said, oh, we were in Lagos on the 26th. We already go. Corona is following our back or what? What is wrong with this Corona? And then we started our ski acquisition, and the news started coming. 2 people got it, 3 people got it, and then we started panicking because they said there is going to be what? Lockdown. The ski acquisition was named on my name because my husband wanted it like that. And and at the same time, because I own the idea to open the ski acquisition, and my husband always support me in everything I do because he also like giving to the world and also like my concept. So he said yes, we have to bring it to life. And at the same time, we call it Meggie Ski Acquisition because we just wanted to be that we are the one that supported this ski acquisition for like 1 or 2 years before we will even register it, so that we can be able to promote what we like promoting, which is do it yourself. You remember I mentioned it in the other video when I said that we always do things ourselves in the country where we come from. So it's sad that people go into crime because of they want to make it very, very fast.
Maybe some people, many complain that because the government is not helping. So
but the government have not always been helping since we grow up. So our parents have always provided things for us, and we have to learn from that. And but people always resort to doing what? Resort to like wanting to do what? Wanting to like be what other people are. They compare themselves with other people. They want to have a lot of money because they thought that money or riches bring happiness. So when we elaborate on that, is there any shortcut to really true happiness? This can be a discussion that we can discuss some other time. But I wanted to keep promoting the idea that we as a community people, we as individual, if nobody help us, as far as we have our hand, our leg, and we are contented with what we are having, not wanting too much for ourselves, we can also find some joy and happiness in our life, because contentment is not a possession of everybody. A lot of people have money, they are not happy, isn't it? Like I mentioned, many people has money. Are they really happy? Not everybody that has money that are happy. Like my people say, no lolo, no guolo. Who is spending is the one spending, not the one that have that is spending. So at the same time, I just wanted to like tell people that I don't have much, but let me just do what? Let me show that even with little, you can put a smile on people's face. So before we go about discussing that video, I think we should show about the preparation of that video. For instance,
the day one
was what? Was about sharing
the flyers.
Sharing the flyers, bringing the concept to people. We already have the place, even when we were cleaning up the place.
This one the front of the shop, the 2 shops. You can see the gate, the 2 doors. So that one are for the 2 stores. So see the way the outside be before. So you look this up now. This is the place we want to do shootouts. It's very up. So you look at the other stores now. See their shootouts. So we want to do it like this and cover all those gutters. We'll cover all those gutters.
See, this is the plastering of the front side of the store. We have washed everything, we have finished everything now. So we need paint to paint everywhere. So even the inside now, I cannot enter inside now because of the plastering of the ground. So by tomorrow, I can enter inside. So the only thing I need now is to paint this place.
Before we travel to Nigeria, so
we have the day one of it, which was like sharing the flyers. we have the day one sharing the flyer. We were not there, but people were not really sure that somebody, you know, just individual like me will just come and open something for them to just learn for free. So you will see the video and see how people were responding. Yeah, so let's play that video.
Today is Tuesday now, so we are going out to share the flyers. So as you can see now, we are not too much here now. Some of us are not around. They have taken some to also share in their own locations.
Both sewing, bead making, to fix allergies, to make wig. Free. You don't pay money. Saturday night be the interview. 12 o'clock.
For them. You know what you want.
already, and for now let's just call it a day. And I hope you like this video. If you guys think that there was something I should have done better, was it wrong for me to say, okay, let me just run it for like 2 years so that I can tell people without anybody you can do things yourself. With little money you can even maintain a place and help people. I will show you some other ways how I help them, not just by teaching them alone. So you will see some of these videos here later. So guys, and for now I think I'm in a road to registering it, and I really need a lot of support. We could say that we need a lot of support, because we have a lot of people that wants to come in there, and we also want to extend it to some villages like that, you know, who cannot transport themselves to that place with, you know. And yes, so these are some of the things we want to do, but I think like only my back or our back cannot carry that. So that is why we have, you know, try to also that is why, like I mentioned, that is one of the reasons why we create our first channel. Before, we said whatever revenue we get from it, we'll be putting it there, you know, putting some percent there. And then with the necklaces I also do here on with my website, if people buy from me, some percentage will also go there without any government thing. And we have not always been receiving government something, so we can, with the hand of our work, we can assist ourselves and also assist others, and that brings a lot of joy, my brothers and sisters. So I hope you can borrow a little from what I am discussing or what I'm showing you guys. This has nothing to do with trying to pose or try to say this is who I am. This is telling you that with little things that you are in Europe, if you sew your coat according to yourself and try to help others, you will be happy. I'm always a happy person. You see me smiling all the time because I'm very, very happy. And people saying that, they will really see you or value you. And even with thank you that you will be getting from people all over the world, is already a good thing. You are doing something that is helping people, and your God Almighty is what He expected from you. And you are doing something like that too. So if you like this video, please share your comments, because your comments also encourages us to continue what we are doing. And so for now, thank you, and we will give you the part 2 of this particular bus stop.
Bye.